November 8, nang mag-post si Ryan Agoncillo sa kanyang Instagram ng isang throwback picture kung saan first birthday ito ni Johan. Para sa birthday greet niya sa panganay na nagdiwang ng kanyang kaarawan nito lamang November 7. Sa nasabing larawan ay taon ito kung saan hindi pa kasal si Ryan sa asawa na si Judy Ann Santos. Ngunit kahit pa hindi sila kasal sa panahon na iyon, ay anak na nila ang kanilang 16 years old na ngayon na si Johan. Ate Yo's first birthday. Mom and Dad weren't a couple yet, but we were already family. Sa ad ni Ryan sa kanyang post, nalarawan nila. Sa post naman ni Judy Ann sa kanyang Instagram, ay inalala nito ang panahon kung saan na enjoy pa raw ni Johan ang mga pinapanood niya ng mga mascot. Happy 16th, baby love. How I wish I could still cuddle you from the first day I fell in love with you. You have grown so fast. So fast that I want to turn back time to the day that you were so in love with the mascot and would bring me and Daddy so much joy just watching you so happy. You will always be my first love, sweetheart. You are one of God's greatest blessing and will forever be Mommy and Daddy's baby girl. We love you so much, sweetie pie. I know, in my heart, that we were meant to be. Hashtag Johan16. Thank you to everyone who made our baby girl's birthday extra special. Mensahe ni Judy Ann sa kanyang panganay na anak.
Share for